Good morning everyone. We will continue the exercise 13.2 again and we will going to discuss the question number 6. Let's read this question. Curved surface area of a right circular cylinder. The curved surface area of a right circular cylinder is 4.4 meters square. After this, the radius of the base of the cylinder, is 0.7 meter. Find the height. So let's begin the solution. Radius is given 0.7 meter. Height we need to find, so we will assume as h. CSA, that is curved surface area, is given 4.4 meter square. So 2 into 22 by 7 into 7 by 10 into h, that is curved surface area formula, which is equal to 4.4 meter square. So 4.4 meter square is equal to 2 into 22 by 7 into 7 by 10 into h meter square. On calculation by cross multiplying, we are getting h is equal to 1 meter. So in this way, we will find the height of this cylinder. Now this question, you can see the inner diameter of a circular well is 3.5 meter. The inner diameter of a circular well is 3.5 meter and its deep means here height is 10 meter. Find inner curved surface area, and after that we need to find the cost of plastering this curved surface. Plaster we have to do this curved surface at the rate of rupees 40 per meter square. Okay, so let's begin the solution. First of all, we will write what is given. Diameter is given 3.5 meter, so radius can be obtained as 3.5 divided by 2. Okay, so radius of the well is 3.5 divided by 2 meter. Height h, that is 10 meter, already given. We need to curve surface area, that is inner curve surface area, that is 2 pi rh. So 2 into 22 by 7 into 3.5 by 2 into 10. On solution we are getting 110 meter square. Now the second part, cost of plastering at the rate of rupees 40 per meter square. So for 1 meter square is rupees 40. So for 110 meter square it is rupees 40 multiplied by 110, that is rupees 4,400. Okay, so in this way we will find the total. Now you can see the next question, that is question number 8. One hot water heating system is there. Now in that heating system there is a cylindrical pipe whose length is 28 meter and the diameter is 5 centimeter. See, two different units are there. We need to make one common unit. Find the total radiating surface in the system. So we will begin the solution. Length is, that is height, which is equal to 28 meter. Diameter is 5 centimeter, so make it radius, that is 5 by 2 centimeter. Convert it into meter, so 5 by 200 meter. Now the curved surface area is equal to 2 pi rh. So 2 into 22 by 7 into 5 by 200 into 28, that is 4.4 meter square. So the total radiating surface in the system is 4.4 meter square. Now this question we will take, that is question number 9. We need to find the lateral surface area or curved surface area. We can say two names are there, lateral or the curved surface. Both are same. Of the closed cylindrical petrol storage tank. Close mention, it means the total surface area we are talking about. Okay, but here when it is asked find lateral surface area, so we need to find that, whose diameter is given 4.2 meter and the height is 4.5 meter. How much steel is used if 1 by 12 of the steel actually used was wasted in making the tent? Question is clear, means how much steel is used, and before that we need to find lateral surface area of the curved surface area. Let's begin the solution. First of all, we will write what is given in the question. The storage tank is in the form of a cylinder and the diameter is given 4.2 meter. So radius will be 2.1 meter divided by 2. height is given 4.5 meter. So lateral surface area is equal to 2 pi RH, that is known as curved surface area also. So 2 into 22 by 7 into 2.1 into 4.2. On calculating, we are getting 59.4 meters square. Coming to second part, for that second part we need to find total surface area also, because how much steel was used in making tent, because it is closed. So total surface area by using the formula 2 pi r in bracket h plus r, on calculating we are getting 87.12 meters square. Now let the area, actual area of the steel used be x meters square. Area of the steel that was wastage is 1 by 12 of x meter. So how much used? Total minus the wastage. So x minus 1 by 12 of x meter square, that is x 11 by 12 x meter square. So 11 by 12 x meter square is equal to 87.12. On cross multiplying, we are getting x is equal to 95.4 meter square. This much area of the steel used, that is 95.4 meter square. After this, we will do next, that is the question number 11. Now here in this question it is said that students of Vidyalaya, Vidyalaya here means school only, okay, it is said that Vidyalaya, that is school only, students of Vidyalaya were asked to participate in a competition for making and decorating pen holder, okay, which is in the shape of a cylinder. This pen holder, which is decorative pen holder in the shape of cylinder with base, definitely base will be there, otherwise all the pen will fall, using the cardboard. Each pen holder was of radius 3 cm, height is 10.5 cm. The Vidyalaya was to supply the competitor with cardboard. If there were 35 competitors, means Vidyalaya have to give the cardboard and there were 35 competitors. So how much cardboard was required to be bought for the competitors? Let's begin the solution. Here pen holder are in the shape or in the form of cylinder with base. Base is important, okay. So radius is given 3 cm, height is given 10.5 cm. So since a pen holder must be open from the top, so surface area of a pen holder is equal to lateral surface area plus the base area. So lateral surface area 2 pi RH plus base area pi r square. Substitute all those values, 2 into 22 by 7 into 3 into 10.5 into 2 into 22 by 7, 3 into 3. On calculation, we are getting 1584 divided by 7 centimeter square. Now we need to supply to how many students? 35. So surface area of 35 pen holder is equal to 35 multiplied by 1584 divided by 7. On calculation, we are getting 7920 centimeter square is the cardboard which is required for the board for the competition. So till this it is clear. Rest we will discuss in next class. Thank you everyone.